if you're trying to install any Linux at all, I don't care which one it is, if you're installing Ubuntu, Kubuntu, Zorin OS, Kali Linux, whichever one you're going for, and every time you start the install, you either get a file system error or your mouse and keyboard are not working, but then if you reboot into a different OS, everything's just fine. It's simple. The fix is just your USB ports. Your mouse, your keyboard, and the USB stick containing Linux all need to be plugged into a USB 3.0 port, not a 2.0. For some reason, on a lot of motherboards, even on mine, on the one that you're looking at now, the USB 2.0 ports would not work during install or even after I installed Ubuntu, and I had to go through a bunch of other troubleshooting to get them to fucking work. So we're going to cover that in a different video, but for now, go ahead and just plug everything into a USB 3 port, go through your installer, you're good.